Yes, hello, I'm Coach Clara Clary, and today I'm here with my grandchildren. I'm with Chanel. This is Chanel, and
Hi.
so Chanel has decided with Anna to take me to the woods. I don't know how they look like, but I'm here to find out how it looks like. So it's going to be like a tour, cause I had to spend time with them. We didn't know each other, so we got time to know each other more. So I just love my grandchildren so much. I have too many responsibility. I'm a child, I'm a sister, I'm a mother, at the same time I'm a grandmother. So I'm happy to be with so many responsibilities. So this is Chanel, and you're going to see Anna as well. I've told you about Anna. Meet my grandchild Anna. She's taller than me. Oh my God! But yeah, you see, I think you see where the beauty comes from. Yeah. So this is Anna. This is Luke, and this is Arthur. So meet my mother Arthur family. These are all my grandchildren. I love them so much, and yeah. So we are going to the woods, so you follow us as we go, and you also get a chance to see how the woods look like. Yeah.
Okay.
So as you see, that's Chanel behind. Anna is already in front. Yeah. So we are heading to the woods, as you see there. So follow us. Yeah. So let's go. I know if I've never got a chance to see the woods here, you're going to find out how they look with me, because I also don't know, but they are helping out. They're helping me out to find out how they look like. So it's like a tour. Yeah. So you tour with us. So as you see, that's a well. It's a borehole. I know many people don't know how boreholes look like, but that's a borehole. So let's go for other. It's okay. It's sweet potatoes. I capture it. That is the dirty water they're talking about.
What plant is that?
This is cassava. These are cabbages. Yeah, these are beans.
But then they can be snakes something. Yeah. Yeah. What can you hide in them? Come out very hot.
Oh, because when it's cold they are not there. So have fun with us. So,
There's a very big plant in the cabbage plant. So I think this provides water
to the plants.
They're going to go in a place where this soil is.
Those are the trees that they are talking about.
They also remove some trees. Last time we thought here there were plants. Yeah, I don't know what here.
But they are no longer there.
Yeah. Even though this is
Anna say that this is the tree bridge. I always fear these things, but yeah, at least I've passed on them. So let's go ahead.
Now we're about to reach where we're supposed to go. Normally we don't stop here, we go up to the road, the main road. As you can see, our home is there.
Let us see.
Each of those days.
There, another bridge. Yeah.
There are many dragonflies here. And also, I think, how do they call them? Frogs. Baby frogs. Pods.
Toads.
Toads. Toads. Here now it's a good view of the home. Yeah.
So here you can see the other view of the home place.
And also the
there.
House.
And also the rentals that are that side. So we go ahead.
So hot.
So don't mind about seeing me. The good thing that I'm having my grandchildren at least explaining, because I'm also just touring the place. Yeah. You know, it's good having grandchildren. It's fun. Maybe you should get you should also be a grandmother. Yeah?
Having grandkids at 25.
Have you heard them that having grandchildren at 25?
That's the age
Hey.
you get back.
Hey.
The age right now.
Don't just say it's fun. They didn't know even how I was looking. Like maybe we were just chatting on phone. But at least we've got a chance to see each other. Even they are making me tour the place. And I think it's really like there are the woods. It's good, it's a good view and I've liked it. These are the places where the snakes hide. You see, it's a little bit bushy down and a lot of grass. And they've told me about the dragonflies. And even the soil here is...
Yeah, this is where
that's the swamp. Frogs normally hide there. And for sure, the view inside here is very nice. They are the woods. I've liked the place and you can come and tour. Yeah, next time maybe I'll just come with you guys so that we have fun this side.
Swamp. Pampers.
Yeah, even people throw dirty things like pampers. You know how people
Litter.
are. Yeah.
Litter.
Let me see. Where's the moat?
So,
The man-made trees.
yeah, these ones are man-made. They're planted trees, planted by a person. I think for sure the view inside here, yeah, it's very good. I've liked it.
Area. Then here you can see like a view.
You see, yeah, people throw many like rubbish, a lot of it inside here. So guys, it has been really good having to tour inside here. Hey, it's a hilly place.
Yeah.
So
It's like if you had to go far, you would reach like the main road almost. Yeah, this is to take you to
the other road will take you to the main road.
no sugar plantation.
The sugar plantation.
And but here is the pool. Yeah, auntie, yes. Auntie, when you continue up, there are shops, many houses.
So guys, we have had fun. You've seen the woods and yeah.
You can until I never think those things are name the plants.
Beans, maize.
Is what it?
That's sweet potato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then maize. Then that is like I don't know what the plant is.
Which
I know
one?
it's mango.
Where is the mango you're talking
Because
about?
it's not mango. It looks
It's a cassava plant. Yeah. You see how my grandchildren are.
like for almost like that.
Those are the bananas, the beans, the maize.
What's that tree there?
Which tree?
Sandiana has the funny sticking things out.
I really don't know also. I can't tell. But in Luganda it's called omwafu. But I don't know in English how it's called.
You can see the space that separates.
They say there is a well.
No, but don't pass here.
Oh,
And then this is not just, but if you continue to go up, there are very many houses that you can't see from here. Yeah.
to the sugar plantation.
No? Yeah, even up. Even
So
continue up.
the other one is another view. I think it's like a hill. Yeah. So we are heading home.
Yeah.
Okay. So
The school is there.
you but you know the joy of being called a grandma. It feels good. So yeah, those are the grass. So guys, we have had fun. You've seen the woods and yeah.
You can until I never think those things are name the plants.
Beans, maize.
Is what it?
That's sweet potato.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then maize. Then that is like I don't know what the plant is.
Which
I know
one?
it's mango.
Where is the mango you're talking about?
Mango.
It's a cassava plant, yeah. You see how my grandchildren are.
Like for almost like
Those are the bananas, the beans, the maize.
what's that shit there?
And the space that separates.
They say there is a well.
No, we're going to pass here.
Oh,
And then this is not just, but if you continue to go up, there are very many houses that you can't see from here. Yeah.
to the sugar plantation.
You know? Yeah, even up. Even
So
continue up.
the other one is another view. I think it's like a hill. Yeah. So we are heading home.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and that's a school that they're talking about. It's a nursery school.
Oh, we come down from here.
Now you're going to see the swamp in front.
So we are going to see like the swamp. They've told me we're going to see the swamp. I've taken like like years, I think. Yeah, without.
Going back, I went past the garden.
Okay, I've taken like years without seeing a swamp. So you're going to see it with me.
Yeah, even here, there is like clay.
Like what?
Here, here,
Clay, eh?
yeah. Here. Here, the swamp.
Yeah, they've told me that even the other time they got clay from the swamp. You know, places that are always having swamps. But anyway, I'm blessed to have my grandchildren. Guys. So they're saying that it's better sloping.
I don't find it better because
You're getting tired.
no, I guess we're going this way like that. Yeah, our home is there. You can't see my friend. Clearly. Home is there.
Yeah, home is there.
And there is a rabbit dog there.
It's like a dog.
Here, where they get left from. Here.
So we're having another bridge here. When I'm scared of these things, I'm very scared of them.
This is where I got the place from, but here, now the water has gone. And there is a little.
So when the water is, you know how it is. Some people wash and then hang their clothes here.
We have reached the
You see. So they have told me that we have reached the swamp area.
Be very careful because the swamp is there.
So we those are goats. Yeah, those are animals. Yeah.
Here.
So we're going to see the swamp.
Yeah.
We are going to see the swamp. They're taking me to see the swamp. Let us see. Join me.
It's here. The swamp is here.
So guys, hey, the swamp is there. Let me hold my phone.
As if those are snakes.
So
Those snakes.
don't scare me up. So that's the swamp.
Fish. A snake.
You're scaring me.
No.
Guys, I think you've seen it. I've not taken like a long time there, but I think you've seen it. Yeah, we have made a good tour and I think now we are going back home. Thank you for joining us. And
Yeah, it's now closed. You can see there is here.
so that's the view.
That's a different estate.
Yeah, that's a different estate. So
If you go near,
yeah,